Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to see you again. ¿Cómo están todos los nenes y la familia desde casa? ¡Mua! I send you a big kiss. Les mando un beso enorme, ¿ok? This is the third video we are doing. Este es el tercer video que estamos haciendo. The previous videos were about clothes. What are clothes? Ropa, ¿ok? And the second video was about months and the seasons of the year. Yes, los meses y las estaciones del año, ¿ok? Here we have the months of the year. Again, los tenemos de vuelta because we are going to revise them. Yes, vamos a repasarlos porque deben decir, Miss Sofi, we have to learn a lot of words. Yes, señor Sofi, tenemos que aprender un montón de palabras nuevas. I know, lo sé. This can be very difficult, okay? Puede ser muy difícil, pero por eso estoy para ayudarlos. Yes, we are going to revise the topics, los temas again and again. Una y otra vez, okay? So that you can remember them. Very good. Okay, let's begin. Vamos a empezar. The first topic is the months, okay? Here we have the months. Do you remember them? ¿Se los acuerdan? This is January. Very good. This is January. This is February. Repeat after me. February. Very good. This is March. Very good. This is March. Okay, excellent. This is April. Yes, April. This is May. Excellent. This is June. Okay, excellent. This is July. Very good. This is, be careful with the pronunciation. Tengan cuidado con la pronunciación. August. Okay, August. This is August. Very good. The next month is September. How is it? ¿Cómo es? This is September. Excellent. Very good. This is October. Yes, October. Very good. This is November. Yes, November. Very good. And the last one, and the last month, el último mes, December. Yes, this is December. Very good. Okay, and here we have the 12 months. Tenemos los 12 meses, okay? Vamos a achicar la pantalla and we go to the next image. Vamos a la segunda imagen and here we have the seasons of the year. Yes? Los meses, las estaciones del año, okay? And we have 4 seasons, okay? The first season of the year is summer, okay? This is summer. Very good. We don't go to school, no vamos a la escuela. We go to the beach, a la playa, or to the swimming pool, a la playa, okay? Very good. This is my favorite season, okay? My favorite season is summer. What is your favorite season? Déjalo en los comentarios, ¿sí? Okay, very good. The second season of the year, la segunda estación del año, is fall or autumn, okay? We can say it in those ways, okay? Fall or autumn, okay? This is fall or this is autumn. Yes, very good. The next season we have is spring. Yes, spring. This is spring. No, it's not. This is a spring, okay? This is spring. Very good. We have flowers and we have a lot of trees, okay? Un montón de árboles of green trees. Yes? Okay, very good. And then we have winter, okay? Very good. So we have summer, fall or autumn, winter, this is winter, and spring, okay? This is spring. Very good. And then we come back to summer. Después vamos a summer de vuelta. Yes? And we are going to learn a new topic today. Vamos a aprender un nuevo tema hoy, que es muy sencillo, ¿sí? Which is days of the week, okay? We have days of the week. Very good. Los días de la semana. And this is the last topic we are going to see this week. Es el último tema que vamos a ver esta semana, okay? Days of the week, okay? Days today, for example. Today is Thursday. Yes, today is Thursday. ¿Cómo es? Today is Thursday. Be careful with the pronunciation. Thursday. You have to place your tongue in your upper teeth. En tus dientes de arriba, okay? Thursday, okay? Very good. On your teeth. Your tongue on your teeth. Thursday, okay? Very good, Thursday. Today is Thursday. And if I ask you, si yo le pregunto, what day was yesterday? Yes? Today was Wednesday, okay? Wednesday. Today was, yesterday was Wednesday, okay? What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday, okay? Very good. Sorry, see? Okay. Yesterday was Wednesday. Very good. And what day will be tomorrow? ¿Qué día será mañana? Tomorrow will be Friday, okay? Tomorrow will be Friday, okay? Very good. So, today is Thursday. Yes, today is Jueves, Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Friday. Yes, very good, okay? Así que siempre se pueden hacer esas 3 questions todos los días. What day is today? Y you can say the day of the week. Pueden decir el día de la semana. What day was yesterday? Y dicen el día que fue ayer, yes? Yesterday was Wednesday, yes? Pero pueden decirlo otro día, ¿ok? And what day will be tomorrow? ¿Qué día será mañana, ok? Those 3 questions, esas 3 preguntas, you can do it at home. Pueden hacerlas en casa and practice with your family. Practicar con su familia, ¿ok? So we are going to begin with the first day of the week. Vamos a empezar con el primer día de la semana. This is Sunday, okay? This is Sunday, domingo, okay? This is Sunday. Repeat after me. This is Sunday. Very good. This is Monday, okay? Very good. My least favorite day of the week. Mi día menos favorito de la semana, okay? This is Monday. ¿Cómo es? This is Monday. Very good. The next day, el próximo día, Tuesday, okay? Be careful with the pronunciation. Tuesday. This is Tuesday, okay? Very good. The next day, this is Wednesday. Very good. This is Wednesday. Excellent. The next day, which is today, el próximo día que es hoy justo, today is Thursday, okay? Today is Thursday. Hoy es jueves, pero para decir este jueves, we say this is Thursday. This is Thursday. Very good, okay? The next day, el próximo día, Friday. My favorite day of the week. Yes? Mi día favorito de la semana. Definitivamente, okay? So, this is Friday. Very good. Repeat after me. This is Friday. Excellent. Very good. And the last day of the week, el último día de la semana, Saturday, okay? Saturday, okay? Very good. This is Saturday. Yes? Excellent. Sábado, okay? So, let me know, déjenme saber, what is your favorite day of the week? ¿Cuál es su día favorito de la semana? My favorite day of the week is Friday, as I said before, como dije antes, okay? And what is your favorite day? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, okay? Well, and here we finish the video. Acá terminamos el video. This video is shorter. Este video es más cortito, okay? So, you can practice at home. Pueden practicar en casa with your family, con su familia, yes? And say, what is your favorite day of the week? ¿Cuál es su día favorito? Ok, very good. Pueden suscribirse al canal también si quieren y dejar en los comentarios si les gustó el video, ok? I send you a big kiss. Les mando un beso enorme. I hope you enjoyed the video. Espero que les haya gustado el video. And see you next week. Nos vemos la semana que viene. Bye, bye.